Alright, welcome back. This is going to be part 4 of our house body. And we're going to put in this wall around the stairs and some other walls in the hallway. So let's get started. So I'm going to do a sketch on the top plane. We're going to put a corner rectangle in here. And then we'll dimension it. So these are going to be the outside dimensions. This is 12 foot, 7 3/4 inches. And we're going to have to change this view to shaded contours. Now this, from the center of this door, I don't know, it's going to give me a center point. We're going to have to let's draw a center line here where this door is to get a center point, because we're going to need it to dimension off of. So from the center of this door to this wall is 3 foot 1.5 inches. Alright, and we're going to draw some, we're going to make a wall that butts up to this when we're done. Alright, and from here to here, this is 4 foot 3.5 inches. And from this wall to here is 8 foot 5 3/4 inches. Alright, there's our rectangle. Now we'll extrude this. What did we say? 8 feet 10 1/4 inches, and do the thin feature. This is an inside wall, so 4.5. We want that going inside. These are our outside dimensions. So there we have it, basically. Let's change this view back to shaded with edges. Alright, yep, that's what we want in there. Now let's butt this up against there. So let's take a section view of that. Ooh, I didn't even know you could do that. Huh, cool. Alright. And we'll make a sketch on, let's make a sketch on this plane right here. Let's go normal onto that. And let's go back to, let's go back to hidden lines visible here. So this is we'll just do a couple of rectangles. We'll do one on here. And then we'll do one here. They should both be fully defined. Alright, let's switch this back to shaded with edges. Alright, so there's our sketches. Perfect, and we'll just extruded boss base, we'll just extrude them up to surface. We'll extrude them up to this surface. So you'll have that. That looks good. Sure. Alright. Now let's put these other walls for the laundry room in here. I'm going to do all these sketches from the top plane. We'll just extrude them up. Alright. We'll make a line here somewhere. Alright. And this wall is from here to here. That's 12 foot 6 inches. And this is going to go this way, so no, we don't want to close that. That's the direction we want to go in. 10.25. inches. I believe that's right. There we go. Okay, now there's a closet here also. That comes off of here, off of this wall to here. And this is from this wall to this wall. That's 11 foot. We're going to add We're going to add 4.5 inches because this is the inside dimensions. So 11 foot 4.5 inches. Okay. And then from this wall to this wall, it's 4 foot 8 inches. We're going to have to measure this when we're done to make sure that we have the right. So I actually think we have to add 4.5 inches to this too. And then we'll extrude it out and it should be okay. So let's add to that. Alright. Now let's extrude this with a thin feature. We want that going out. I believe we do. No, we want it going in. Alright, okay. So this, we'll have to change that dimension back. Oh, that's not right. Nope. Nope. Let's alter the sketch a little bit. Let's change this back to 4 foot 8 inches. And let's trim this and that. Let's rebuild and see if it'll let us rebuild. Okay. Well, that worked out good. Now let's measure this distance to make sure that this is 11 foot. And this, that's what we want. It's, well, actually we want from here to here. So we need to shorten that. This should be 4 foot 8 inches. It's not, so we need to add. Okay. And then alright, that should be right now. Let's see. So we need 4 foot 8 inches here. And we got that. And this should be, from here to here, should be 11 foot. Oops. There it is. Alright. So let's call that, it's a wrap. And in the next video, we'll cut all the doors out of all these walls. So this is the end of part 4. Hope that helps.